Welcome to another interesting topic. Acarology is the study of mites and ticks. They are the largest and diverse group. There are over 55,000 species. Where do they come from? These are parasites of birds, mammal, and insects, and they spread wherever these host travels, and they live in the host nest or on the host itself. So lifespan varies from 2 to 3 years based on the species. And how do you, when you come in contact, how do you prevent? Dress appropriately, bring bug repellent, be mindful when hiking, and perform periodic checkups. And how does it affect on human? It creates red patches, inflamed skin, watery eyelids, or itchy skin, or acne-like blemishes. And how can you kill them is by sprays and aerosol containing synergized pyrethrins.